Hey y'all, so this is my look. I did some crimps. This frontal is from Wiggins Hair. These bundles are from Hair by Honey. She's in Chicago, but she does ship, so make sure you all contact her. I'll leave her Instagram in the description below. And yes, so watch me do this look. You all are gonna see how I pull this look together. It's real simple, real easy. Took long, but easy. Hey y'all, so I am crimping my wig. So I try out a little, like a few pieces or whatever, just to see how it's gonna come out. And so this is it. I'm gonna just show y'all basically like what I'm doing, what I'm using, all that stuff. I'm using a crimping iron from Ion. Got to be glue spray, a comb, and now you see me just going in and finishing what I've already started. I really was just experimenting, and I realized, like, you know what, this is what I want to do. So I went ahead and like went through with it and decided to start recording. So watch the process. It was a long process, but yes, it was all worth it because it came out so pretty. I apply my wig off camera with some Got To Be glue spray that I use for the hair, and I just combed it out, and this is how it came out. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. This is it. Crimp season. Crimp season. Attention, is crimp season. Alright, so this jacket is from the thrift store. This little tube tank crop situation is from H&M. These shorts are from the thrift store. And this purse is from Forever 21. Yes. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. And yeah, just a little 99-cent clear lip gloss for the girls. But yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you all. I don't know what all these faces is about, but I'm being extra. I don't know, I just feel like I just want to be an extra B. ITCH. Alright, but yeah. Love you guys. Bye.
I might just roll this a Cuban link. I've been going through some things. I wanna